Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can hide your wallet on bitcoin.com. Basically, you need a physical wallet to hide your bitcoins. So let's say if someone's trying to steal your cryptocurrency, what you need is you need a physical wallet. So I'll show you a few websites that offer the best premium physical wallets that you can get. So the first one is treasure.ai. So it's a simple device like this. You can see it's really small and you can hide it basically anywhere. So you basically connect it through your laptop or your PC with a USB type C. Another wallet is this, which is called coldcard.com, which looks like a calculator. So if someone's trying to steal your coins, they're gonna look for a hard drive or USB. They won't ever find out it's inside a calculator. The next wallet we have is the blockstream.com slash jade1. So this one looks like a brick. You can basically hide your bitcoins in it as well, and it has a offline key storage, so it does not need to connect to the internet as well. That's basically it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.